Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Tom, and in this tutorial we are going to look at a simple CRUD that you've been able to create using the AdminLTE template, the latest version of it, which is version 3.2.0. So by CRUD here we mean create, read, update, and delete. So I've been able to clean up the template and give you a straightforward kind of functionality that you can easily utilize in your applications or in the developments that you have in a quicker way without having to start from scratch. So the admin LTE template, as you can see here, it's the latest version of this template, which is a free template, it's open source. And by open source, we mean that the source code is available for anyone to modify, to inspect, and enhance. You have to use it without having to worry about any kind of proprietary kind of permissions. So if you open it here, you'll see that so this is the documentation which you can read and go through. But if you want a live preview of it, you can go to this link and then we have the live preview. But you can see here, this is actually a resemblance of what you'll see when you open up this. So to log in here, we have my email here, that, and then my password. So this is the template. So it's connected to a backend MSSQL database, which is shared together with this code. The source code is actually .NET Core, that is it's C# in the backend, and Razor pages on the front end, which have been documented, and it's easier for you to understand. And so you can see it has the dashboard. So dashboard has sample data of maybe the total number of students, active, inactive, and the departments. Then we have a dummy data about attendance to be able to create some of these beautiful charts, which you can modify to your own liking based on the data you want to present. But further to that, we have the student section. So here is where we have the CRUD about the student. So here you can export to Excel, you can export PDF, like if you click Excel, you have it here. PDF, you have it there. You can print, so it's here, but you don't want to print. But if that's what, so these capabilities come with the template, which is very powerful. So if you want to create a new student, you'll come to new student. So here you put, let's say we have John, then you have Doe, then maybe the department is marketing, the date of birth, and you can see the template comes with a very good kind of date picker, which you can navigate easily even to the past. So we can pick, let's say 2000 April, maybe 6th, then create. So when you create, you can see we have very beautiful notifications that tell you what is happening. Again, they come with the template. So if I search the student I have created, so we have John Doe. There's another one I created before. Okay, so this one is the one I've created, and then if you edit, so let's say you change the department to engineering, then click edit, so it is edited. So if you again search this and then look at the details, so you can see it has edited the details to the latest department that was changed. And here we have details about the students, which you can add more fields depending on what you want to show or display. So back to list, you can delete student. So if you say like Roosevelt, if I want to remove him, just click on the delete, then I click delete. So what happens is when you delete a student, he's not completely removed from the system, but we change a flag within our database in such a way that the student appears as inactive and not active. And this is just maybe a way in which of tracking how many students are active, how many are not, and the rest. But you can always activate back based on maybe the procedure or how the process is in managing student data. Okay, so that is a simple CRUD that you can see with a good interface, which you can easily adopt and modify to your own liking. So that one is on you to decide maybe what you want. But the other good feature that the template comes with is like the theme, which is dark mode or light. This is really a feature that most applications nowadays adopt for the sake of light and visibility. And then, of course, the expanding and reducing full screen and reducing it to normal screen. And I think those are the key features I saw are important to just remove, like put them in a template like this for you to easily incorporate in whatever developments that you're doing. And as you can see, another feature is that we have added sessions. So if you log out, the session is completely destroyed. You can't log in until you can't go back until you log in. So here, so you have login and you're back. And of course, you see it has that very nice animation when the page is loading. So that is it about this template. You can study further and maybe modify it to your own liking. But I hope you have enjoyed, and I hope to see you soon with maybe any queries or any questions that you may have. But above all, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll be grateful because it is your subscription that helps me know maybe what to focus on and maybe what more to create and bring to you as great supporters of my network. So thank you very much, and I will see you next time.